Good morning, everyone. Hello from Dubai and Namaste. I'm Prachi. Welcome back to my channel. I arrived yesterday, had a good fish curry. It was so delicious. And now my husband is preparing me some healthy, delicious avocado toast. He loves to feed me and pamper me with homemade food and his delicacies also because he's a chef. So now I'm going to enjoy the breakfast prepared by my loving husband, and we'll see you in some time. Stay tuned. Makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. So hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, I've not been keeping well and was not stepping out at all from home. But today I felt like going out because the weather is very nice, and hubby wants me to also step out a little bit. And so just to freshen up, we are going to this place in City Walk. Maybe what is the name of the cafe? Sarabet. Okay, so we are going to Sarabet for coffee. It's around 5:15 in the evening. Weather is very nice, and just spend some quality time with each other. Hai na, baby? And baby has taken off for me, so thank you. Let's go. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. Honey, you are my fire. I want you to know. This is made from those containers जो shipping के लिए काम आता है. The entire mall is made that way. We have something like this in Doha, Qatar also. Okay. The box park. Guys, please check in my vlog. I have already mentioned. I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. So we have reached City Walk, and now we are going to have some coffee. As you can see, it has rained a lot today. That's why the weather is so lovely. And yes, we both are feeling fresh, and yeah, just enjoying walking down the lane and nothing much. Feeling fresh as of now. What about you, baby? Okay, let's go. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. The last one I think about. Now we are going through the subway area, rather the metro area, towards the Burj Khalifa, and we're inside the Dubai Mall. And here we are already after a long walk. Yeah, I didn't capture all the walk,
But guys, look at the crowd here. We are here for the fountain show, and I'll stop talking now so you can enjoy the music and the vibe of this place. Amazing experience. Baby, how was the fountain show? Beautiful. So happy to see this. And the crowd here, we all cheered when it ended. So overall amazing. With the rainy cloud, baby, look.
Now it's time for dinner. We are at PF Chang's, super hungry. That's our fish tempura, shrimp tempura. That's a delicacy of PF Chang's. Please do try, it's really tasty. This is my hot and sour chicken soup.
Diego, how is the food so far? Good?
Now for the main course, we are having shrimp lau mein noodles, local Chinese style noodles. And this is sesame chicken, my husband's favorite, absolute favorite.
Now we are going to enjoy our dinner completely, right baby? You liking it? Loving it, yes. So that's about it. So yeah, we stepped out because I was not feeling well. I feel good now. It's raining, but as you can feel, my nose and throat are literally gone. But anyhow, my hubby is taking care of me, my sweet hubby. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Like I said, I'll capture whatever I can regarding our marriage anniversary celebrations. So stay tuned for that and keep supporting me like you always do. Thank you. Bye. My anniversary gift is here. Thank you, hubby. Love you. मुझे कब से था कि मुझे वही वाला पिंक चाहिए. And thank you so much. Now time to buy for you something. Baby, happy anniversary. How did you like your gift?
100. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much. Sana, how did you like your sunglasses?
Must.
Nice? So happy anniversary to us.
Thank you all for watching this episode. It feels great to share our happiness with you all. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye, take care, and loads of love.